In this video, let me show you how to replace the ink cartridges inside of your Canon Pixma TS 3725 printer. Step number one is to turn on the printer. It needs to be turned on every time you want to install these or replace them. Why? Well, it's simple. You're going to go on the front of the printer and you're going to lower this panel simply by pushing down on this lever. And now, if your printer is not turned on, this printer cartridge carriage, okay, will stay on the left side and will not move. If the printer is turned on, it will be presented to you right over here, ready to install the ink cartridges or, again, replace them. It's important to always put the color ink cartridge on the left side and the black one on the right side. Never mix them up. If not, well, there will be trouble. Let me show you first of all how to install them, and after that I'll show you how to replace them. So once you get your ink cartridges, this takes the Canon 276, you need to remove this orange tape over here. This is simply protecting the print head. Never put your finger directly on the print head. So I'll go ahead and peel it out. I'll take my color ink cartridge. It's very clearly marked color. Step number one is to lower this retainer. This will allow us to input the cartridge. Take your cartridge with 2 fingers with the contacts facing the printer. Bring it this way in the appropriate spot. And now at the end, simply pull up this blue retainer so it traps the cartridge inside so it doesn't move. Same thing on the other side. Okay, this cartridge I already peeled that orange tape. I'll take it in my fingers. I'll simply bring it, oops, just like that. Make sure it's inside, and now I'll simply pull up this blue retainer. When time comes to replace your ink cartridges, it's the same thing, but in reverse. You lower it, and then you can remove this cartridge. You may have to, to apply a bit of force when you're pulling, and yeah, it comes right out. And this is how you can put a new cartridge. And by the way, I'll put links towards Amazon in the description down below if you want to get replacement ink compatible with this model, so you don't have to search. At the end, close the lid. Your printer will take a few seconds. Okay, it will take a few seconds to check what you did, and at the end it will tell you that everything is all right. Here we go, and you're ready to print. Every time you see the light beside the color ink flashing or the black ink, well, you know that it's time to replace them. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.